Complete outrage as far as the dowry death case is concerned. Now, the victim's parents have spoken to NDTV. The father of the victim, do remember the woman Nikki who died after allegedly it was her husband and her mother-in-law who set her aflame after slapping her to her husband over the last 9 years. But now the father is seeking justice in this department and has gone on to say the mother wants justice for her daughter. The father is seeking, as far as the accused is concerned, speaking to NDTV, talking about how she is seeking an encounter of the accused husband. The husband has been taken into custody. Do remember the family continues to be on the run, and she's come to her injuries, to her burn. The demands of the family, as the victim's family here has spoken to NDTV. Listen in.
इस समय पर पुलिस ने निकी के हस्बैंड पति विपिन भाटी को अरेस्ट कर लिया है, पर आपके हिसाब से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? न्याय की मांग तो है ही।
हत्यारे हैं ये, इनका गोली लगनी चाहिए, इनका मकान ढहना चाहिए। ये हत्यारे हैं, इन्होंने मेरी बेटी को मार दिया। हत्यारे हैं, बेटी अपने बच्चे को पाल ली थी, पार्लर चला के जैसे चला के इन्होंने अत्याचार करा। पूरे घर की साजिश थी और बेटी को मार
दिया। कभी उन्होंने कभी भी आपको कुछ भी कहा उनके घर परिवार के माहौल के बारे में? कभी
उन्होंने घर चल जा, पापा को टेंशन ना हो, ये घर चल जा। पर हत्यारे हैं, ये हत्यारे, इनको गोली लगनी चाहिए। एक पर्स चोर को तो ये गोली मार देते हैं पैर में, मोबाइल में मारे। ये बीजेपी सरकार है। बीजेपी सरकार तो ऐसी एक मकान को ढा देती है। एक लुटेरे के 10 रुपया चोर को मकान तोड़ देते हैं लोग। मुझे हत्यारे को नहीं, अरेस्टिंग में तो एनकाउंटर गोली लगनी चाहिए।
आपके हिसाब से आप कह रहे थे कि ये साजिश है, और कौन आपके हिसाब से इन्वॉल्व है? हमने वीडियो में देखा है आपकी बड़ी बेटी कंचन ने जो वीडियो बनाया है, काफ़ी।
We have Tanushka joining us in order to get us details of this very shocking case. Tanushka, of course, you've spoken with the family, you've spoken with the father and the mother. The father there, demanding that the accused, that's the husband, be shot by the police. Take us through, what are the whereabouts as far as the rest of the family members are concerned? Because we did hear the son say that the grandmother was involved in this attack on his mother, in which she finally succumbed to those burn injuries. Take us through where
Killed by her husband and her in-laws over this, alleged demands for dowry. What we do understand as far as the investigation is concerned, and as per your question, that the other, Vipin Bhati, her husband who set her on fire, has been arrested by the police. However, the other people who were involved, that is Vipin Bhati's brother Rohit Bhati, and the in-laws, the mother-in-law being Daya and the father-in-law being Satyaveer, FIR. We do know that, these three individuals have also been named in the FIR. The visuals that we're showing you right now are of the women of the household mourning over Nikki's death, and of course the way in which that she died. We can see in these visuals here her mother is also present, and I spoke to her mother. Her daughter has been killed in the same way her daughter's killer, the perpetrator, that is her husband Vipin Bhati, should also be brought to justice, and he should also be sentenced to death, is what the mother demands for at this point. We do understand that this is, after speaking to the family members as well, and her elder sister filed the FIR and the complaint, in which there are details of years of abuse. This is not just, a here and now case that has happened over dowry. Nikki was married to Vipin for over 9 years. They have 2 children, and it is her son also who came about and said that he saw his mother being lit on fire. So, of course, very horrifying crime here. A mere boy seeing his mother being burned to death.
Thank you so much for getting us, the voices of the family, the father and the mother demanding justice in this case. Let's listen in to what the mother had to say.
इस स्टेज पर आप
जाना चाहिए रे। अरे माँ बेटा को दोनों को फांसी लगनी चाहिए रे। अरे मेरी बेटी बिलका बिलका के मारी ऐसी बिलकने चाहिए रे।
Tanushka with us. Tanushka, of course, inconsolable and, as expected, unexpected lines. The family is demanding justice, asking for justice. And as the sister, like you were mentioning, that has come forward and said that there were issues and it is the family responsible for killing of their family member. And it is the son finally, piecing together what really happened during that incident, which has now finally claimed her life. All of 28 years, life cut short. Take us through the details that we have on this particular case. It was very difficult to speak with the family members. Take us through what has the mother said. Tanushka.
Right, Divya. So we do understand that at this point, her mother being, in most grievous state right now, constantly sobbing and wailing over her daughter's death. It is, of course, her daughter that she has lost. Now, this incident happened on August 21st and by her in-laws and her husband, which is what we see in the visuals as well. It is Sirsa where where she was married into. We spoke to her father earlier and he said that, the marriage was fixed up in a very nice manner and they came across as a very good family. However, course of her marriage over the past 9 years is what her father said. However, what he also said is that as per the Indian society, they kept telling her to go on, to keep going at it. He also says that there was some other person, a woman also involved, whom Vipin was allegedly having an affair with. And at this point, his daughter decided that, it's fine, just let me have a quarter life in the end. Police investigation is still on to the three people who are absconding, which is the mother-in-law, the father-in-law and the brother-in-law. This is what we know so far in the case and we have spoken to the parents of the deceased. Back to you.
Right, Tanushka, very shocking case in this day and age that a woman has been set ablaze because of dowry 9 years after the couple got married in front of responsible for this. Details of there were issues here clearly, which the family has been stating, particularly the sister. Take us to the details that we have of the issues that they've been facing. The woman was independent. She was making her own money.
Right, precisely, Divya. We do understand that, Nikki at this point had her own salon and she was running her own business. We spoke to her father and her father also said that
राजकुमार है, मैं यही गांव का रहने वाला हूँ, रुब्बा से। मैं उनका अंकल लगता हूँ, मेरी भतीजी है। देखो ऐसा है, उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाए और उनको गिरफ्तार करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि उनको पकड़े और उनको जेल भेज जाए। उनको ऐसी सजा मिलनी चाहिए जिससे कि पता लगे कि दुख दर्द कैसा होता है। उनको गोली लगनी चाहिए, उनको मतलब कोई भी ऐसी मतलब होना चाहिए जिसका बेटे का कितना दर्द है।
So, clearly out here, a lot of rage and anger and, of course, anguish within the family members of Nikki at this point. And this is what we're getting from her house. Back to you.